Alrighty, got a bit of a strange malfunction here at this crossing just south of Buda, Illinois on the UP Peoria Sub. I don't remember the name of this road, but it'll be in the title. For whatever reason, one of the lights on the western signal here is stuck on. Actually, two lights. Both of the ones that are closest to the road are stuck on. And also the two furthest most gate lights are also stuck on. Not on all the way, but on dim. And you can see too, the side lights are also lit up slightly. And there's the rear light. Not quite sure what the heck is causing this. This is very unusual to see. I just chased a northbound out of Edelstein. I caught him just north of Camp Grove at the gateless crossing. And then I chased him to here. And almost didn't come here because I didn't think I'd make it in time, but I'm sure glad I did because I would have never seen this otherwise. That tip light was also flashing too, which is not supposed to be like that. It was flashing with the middle light, so in sync with the lights closest to the road. Again, not sure what's causing this because the other signal is perfectly fine. All the lights are completely off. So, whatever the issue is, it's only affecting the western signal. But I will keep an eye on this and see if they get this fixed soon. I'm not going to call it in. It's not really an emergency. I'm sure whoever, next time the maintainer comes out here, they'll get it fixed. And honestly, probably most people wouldn't even notice it. I mean, it's so dim. At first, I thought maybe it was just like my headlight. I was coming up to the crossing. I thought maybe like my headlight was reflecting weird off the gate until I realized, no, the light was actually on. Daylight, you probably wouldn't even notice this. So I'm not going to bother calling it in. Whoever the maintainers that comes out to this crossing next, I'm sure he'll notice it. But anyways, yeah, this has been the malfunction here at this crossing just south of Buda.